Today, I'm going to show you how you can manage QR codes in bulk. So let's say your local business, you have many different locations, branches, maybe a restaurant, and you have many different chains throughout the whole city, and you are building a loyalty program, and you need many different QR codes in order to really track properly which restaurant has generated which type of business. So in this case, you want to be able to bulk manage your QR codes. You want to be able to move them around into different folders, to rename them in bulk, to even download them in bulk, because doing all of this manually can cost you a lot of time. So let me show you how you can do this. So first, let's navigate to sites on the left, click on QR codes at the top, and then here you will be seeing your QR codes. To enable the bulk actions, you just need to click on select, and that enables this little checkbox right here. Then you can click on select all, and a new menu of the bulk actions will show up right here. From here, you can download in bulk, move to a folder in bulk, and or delete in bulk. So let's start with download. Here you have three options. You can download it in a PNG file, which means transparent background, right? Or in an SVG file, or even a PDF format. So let's say we just want to have PNG files. Let's click on that. It will ask you one more time, are you sure you want to download 2 QR codes in PNG format? Let's hit download. And here you can see it's creating a zip file, and the zip file has already been downloaded. Now let's say you just wanted to download a few of them and not all of them. You can just check mark the individual QR codes you want to work on and just leave the ones you don't want to work on unchecked. So now let's bulk move those 2 into a folder. For example, click the folder, click the drop down menu and select the folder and move to selected folder. And here we go. It automatically opens the folder with the 2 QR codes that we wanted to move. Let's go back one step, and I want to show you that you actually also can download entire folders. You can rename it and you can delete it. So let's rename it first, demo folder 1, ta-da, and then let's bulk download in, let's say, SVG files. Okay, cool, accept, and it's again creating a zip file. So in case if a QR code's requested format isn't available, you'll be offered alternative formats to choose from, and this screen will then show up. Now you can also delete an entire folder and or delete the individual QR code right here by clicking the 3 dots. You can also copy the link from a QR code and just share this link with one of your team members, for example, so they can go ahead and print out the correct code for an upcoming event, for example. And if you wanted to edit the QR code, you can just hover over the QR code you want to edit, click on edit, and then here change the information you have inserted before. So for example, if you wanted to change the destination URL, you can do that here. You will also be able to see analytics of which QR codes have been scanned, for example. Just simply click this button right here and the QR codes analytics will show up. Here, for example, we can see all the QR codes, but you can also select between individual QR codes. If we select the Reddit one, that has been scanned once today. And here in the top right corner, you can also select the time frame. Should you decide to delete a QR code, you can do that by clicking the delete button. It will ask you one more time, hey, are you sure you want to delete this QR code? If you're sure, hit delete, but please know that is not reversible, this action, and the QR code will be permanently deleted and will not show up anymore. If you wanted to create QR codes in bulk, you can upload them via a CSV file by clicking this button right here. Then this window will show up and it will ask you to drag and drop your CSV file. And if you don't know what format the CSV file should be, you can download the instructions with a sample CSV file right here. Then from here, you can select a folder and then hit upload, and it will bulk create many different QR codes for you. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create and manage QR codes in bulk for faster sharing and much more efficient management. I will see you in the next one. Our entire help doc library is linked below, where you can learn more information about this particular feature as well as many other features. Also be sure to check out our Content Army YouTube playlist as well as our blog, where you can learn more things about HighLevel and what it has to offer.